I'm sorry, Councillor Kipper.
Just on 4/5 under 10, I just want to state that Mr. Wally Vanderaa did the submission to the Commerce Commission as per request of the board. I must say it was a well-written submission.
No further matters arising? Okay, did I ask all in favour? All in favour? Aye. Carried. And moving to more minutes of the Mangakino Pouakani Representative Group of the 19th, 2011. Now these are unconfirmed. So I'm asked for a mover, Councillor Truman, who chairs that committee very ably. And a seconder, please. Councillor Craik, another member. Any questions or discussions coming from these minutes? Any comment you'd like to make, Chairperson Councillor Truman? Nothing? Okay. Any questions? No more questions or discussions? All those in favour? Carried. Moving now to the minutes of the Airport Committee. Again, these are unconfirmed until we have our next one. I will move, or Councillor Johnson could move, and I will second. Any questions or discussion? Councillor Williams?
Yes, I'd like to ask a question. Could the representatives explain to us the location and of the new lease sites at the airport that are being explored?
Which sites do you want to have explanation of? We're now full, so all the sites around the helicopters are on the left going in. The front apron facing the runway is full. The runway 27. Anyway, the grass runway, the east-west.